On supponti ma girl named Cinderella lived with her stepmother and two stepsister. Por Cinderella at work Harald Alonso toter cool dressed. It was who at wake up morning when it was still dark and cold to start fire. It was who cooked mel. It was who kept the fire going. The poor girl could not stay clean, from all the chance under bit fire. Wa amaz. Her two stepsister logged. Anti we take a l'air Cinderella. On a day, big news came to town. The king and queen were going to have a ball. It was time for the prince to fin a bride. All of the young ladies in the land were invited to come. They were will joy. They would wear their most beautiful gown and fix their hair extra nice. Maybe the prince would like them. On a day, big news came to town. A Cinderella house, she no had extra work to do. She had to make two brand new gown for her stepsister. Faste. Shooted on a stepsister. You call ta address? Scrammet ote. Oh, dear. Said Cinderella. When can I? Stepmother marched into the room. When can you? Well, said the girl, when will I have time to make my own dress for the ball? You? Yelled stepmother. Who said you were going to the ball? Warlog? Said on stepsister. You? Yelled stepmother. Who said you were going to the ball? Suchamez. They pointed à Cinderella. All of them logged. Cinderella said to herself, when the look came, maybe samez. Buyam not away. And if he could, he would go to the ball. Soon the team came for the stepmother and stepsister to leave for the big party. Their fine carriage came to the door. Stepmother and stepsister had inside. And they were off. Goodbye. Call Cinderella. Have a good time. But her stepmother and stepsister did not turn around to see her. Ah, me. Said Cinderella sadly. The carriage road don't stray. She said Lou, I wish she could go to the ball, too. Then, poof. All of a sudden, in front of her was a fairy. I wish she could go to the ball, too. You call? Said fairy. Didi? Said Cinderella. Who are you? Oui, your fairy godmother, of course. I know your wish. And I have come to grant it. Bu. Said Cinderella, me wish is impossible. Excuse me. Said fairy godmother in a huff. Did I no just show up out of thin air? You did, said Cinderella. Then lemme button to say why possible or no. Excuse me. Said fairy godmother in a huff. Did I no just show up out of thin air? Well, I think you know you want to go to the ball, too. She looked on her dirty clot. But look you do look a bit of a mess, chill, said fairy godmother. Even if he had something nice to wear, said the girl, he would have no way to get it on. Dirm, all of taille possible, said fairy. Oui tata, je tapais des roues en Cinderella id. À 11, Cinderella all clean. Je was dressed in a beautiful blue gown. Her was set up on her head inside a golden band. Tio wonderful, said Cinderella. Dirm, all of taille possible, said fairy godmother. Who said you had on? Said fairy godmother. Je tapais des roues à gain. À 11, a beautiful carriage came to ba, with a driver en four with horse. Am dreaming? Said Cinderella, looking around there. It a real camp, said fairy godmother. But one thing you must know. Why ta? All of it last only to midnight. Tonight, at the stroke of midnight, it will all be. Everything will go back to how it was before. Then he must be sure to leave the ball before midnight. Said Cinderella. Godida, said Fairy Godmote. She stepped back. Me worked on. En with the Fairy Godmote wagon. All of the will last only to midnight. Cinderella looked around there. Did I even happen? But she stood in a Finnegan, en with a golden band in her hair. Enter the rear driver en 4 horse before her, waiting. Coming? Called the driver. She stepped into the carriage. Ante the roof. Over at the ball, the prince did not know what to think. Why do you have a sad look on your face? The king said to her son. Look around you. You could no ask for fine maiden tantes. Ik no, mote, said the prince. Yet knesometing wavron. Had many of the you on omen. Yet after said hello, on beyond, a cool fin nothing more to say. Look. Someone pointait toute front d'or. Whoita? Ali tournait. Whoata lovely maiden stepping down the stair? Shoulder it allant looked if she belonged. Buno knaer. Look. Someone pointait toute front d'or. Whoita? Trisometinia boer, said the prince to himself. He will ask her to dance. En valkove to Cinderella. Have me? Said the prince. I am pleased to may you know, said Cinderella with a bow. If I know you, said the prince. But of course, taille impossible. Manitignard possible, said Cinderella, if you wish them to be true. The prince felt a leap in ear. En Cinderella dansed. Went sungwa ove, te dansed again. En tente dansed again, en yet again. Soon to te maiden at bal gregelou. We dancing alt team witer? Te said. Oh rude. Manitignard possible, said Cinderella, if you wish it to be true. But alt prince cooled se wa Cinderella. Telogue dans talquet, en te dansed some more. In fact, te dansed for so long ta Cinderella did no 7 o'clock. Don. 7 o'clock. Cinderella looked dupe. Don. 8 o'clock again. She looked dupe again. Oh, me. She cried out. It is almost midnight. Don. 20 o'clock. Oui de tamate? Said the prince. Don. 4 o'clock. He must go. Said Cinderella. Don. 8 o'clock. Oh me. She cried out. It almost midnight. Buve juste mais. Said the prince. We leave no. Don. 20 o'clock. He must go. Said Cinderella. She ran 2 steps. Don. 7 o'clock. I can hear you, said the prince. The clock is all. Don. 20 o'clock. Goodbye. Said Cinderella. Up the stair she ran. Don. 8 o'clock. Please, stop for a moment. Said the prince. Don. 20 o'clock. Oh, dear. She said on a glass slip and fell off her foot on the stair. But Cinderella kept running up. Don. 7 o'clock. Please wait a moment. Said the prince. Don. 20 o'clock. Goodbye. Cinderella turned on the last time. Then she rushed out the door. Don. The clock was quiet. It was midnight. Ouais. Called the prince. Piqued du per glass slipé en rushed out the door. Looked around at buckled no ser blue dress and Tiali have let from her, said, looking down at the glass slipé. So it was made in a special way, to feel a foot like non note. So me her treat out the glass slipé, said. And when he find it, he will find her, too. Then he will ask her to be my bride. Tiali have let from her, said, looking down at the glass slipé. From you to you, from whose to whose, ou the prince. On you on homme en afté à noter trier tout fier foot ainsi de te glace slipper. Bunon cool fille. En saute prince mauvais don. À last te prince cam tout Cinderella house. I coming. Calon step siste h looked out the window. At door. Scramet ote step siste. Kick. Yelt step mote. Jet riadi. On of you must button to feel your foot in ta slippy. No matewa. Te prince knocked. Step mote flay open door. Come in. She said. I have two lovely daughter for you tous. Te first step siste trier to place her foot in the glass slippy. She trier ar, but it just would no fee. Te second step siste trier to fear foot inside. She trier en trier with a l'air might, to. Buno 10. Come in. She said. I have two lovely daughter for you tous. Arthur no te you on omen in the house? Said prince. Don, said step mote. Then he must go, said prince. My betrayal more, said Cinderella, stepping into the room. I took you settervorno te you on omenur, said prince. Non who mate. Said step mote in ice. Comer, said prince. My betrayal more, said Cinderella, stepping into the room. Cinderella stepped up to him. The prince godon on non knie en trier te glace slipper on her foot. It fit perfectly. Then, from her pocket Cinderella took out something. It was te glace slippy. Ignite. Crié. You are on. What? Shouted a step siste. Nowhere. Scramet ote step siste. Tikanob. Yelt step mote. But it was too late. The prince knet a Cinderella what on. Looked into her eye. Did no set Cinderella or te hache on her face. I have found you. Said. I have found you, said Cinderella. En so Cinderella ante prince ver marié, ante livet d'apili et acte.